Your transmission is designed to be smooth as silk, but when solenoid EFF starts acting up, it can turn your daily commute into a nightmare. The code P2737 is all about the pressure control solenoid EFF, which is responsible for managing the hydraulic fluid that makes your gears shift. This is a generic transmission diagnostic code that applies to modern automatic vehicles from manufacturers like Chevrolet and Ford and Nissan. Your automatic transmission is a complex hydraulic machine that uses bands and clutches to change gears, and it relies on fluid pressure to make those changes happen smoothly. The pressure control solenoids are like electronic gates that open and close to direct that fluid exactly where it needs to go. While older cars only had a few of these, newer transmissions with more gears have many more, including the one labeled solenoid EFF. When the powertrain control module or the PCM detects that this solenoid is not performing correctly, it sets the code and often puts the transmission into a protective mode. You might start noticing your fuel mileage dropping or the transmission overheating because it is struggling to find the right gear. Common causes for this problem include contaminated transmission fluid that has become thick with debris or a restricted transmission filter that is blocking the flow. Of course, the solenoid itself could be defective, or there could be a problem with the wiring and connectors that connect the transmission to the computer. Your first move should be to pull the transmission dipstick and check the fluid. If it looks dark or smells like it has been burnt, you need to change the fluid and the filter right away. Many times, a simple fluid flush can clear out the internal passages and get everything working again. However, if the solenoid is physically broken, you will need to have it replaced, which usually involves dropping the transmission pan. You should get your vehicle to a technician immediately if the transmission is slipping badly or if it refuses to shift into higher gears, because continuing to drive in this condition can lead to a total transmission failure that will cost thousands of dollars to replace. Taking care of your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is the best insurance against these kinds of issues. Dealing with these problems early on is the secret to keeping your car on the road and your wallet full.